Good morning, friends. Welcome to Exam Notes 365. Today, 4th January 2022. In this video, we will discuss about the important current affairs on 4th January 2022. Let's begin. Which company commissioned the largest owned and operated single-site solar project in India? Answer is Azure Power. It has commissioned its largest project, 600 megawatts Interstate Transmission System (ISTC) connected solar project allocated by Solar Energy Corporation of India. The project is in Bikaner, Rajasthan. SECI, Solar Energy Corporation of India, is a company of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy established to facilitate the implementation of National Solar Mission. SECI headquarters is in New Delhi. What is National Solar Mission? The National Solar Mission is an initiative of Government of India and state governments to promote solar power. This mission is one of the several policies of the National Action Plan on Climate Change. Who is the Union Minister of New and Renewable Energy? Rajkumar Singh. Azure Power headquarters also in New Delhi, and the CEO of Ranjit Gupta. Abdullah Hamdok has resigned from his position as Prime Minister after mass protests. He was the Prime Minister of which country? The answer is Sudan. This is Abdullah Hamdok. Thousands marched against a recent deal he had done to share power with the army, who staged a coup in October. This is Sudan. It's a northeast country in Africa. The capital of Sudan is Khartoum. Richard Leakey has passed away recently. He was a conservationist. This is Richard Leakey. He was a world-renowned Kenyan conservationist and a fossil hunter. His groundbreaking work contributed to the recognition of Africa as the birthplace of humankind. Where is the capital of Kenya? Nairobi. President is Uhuru Kenyatta. And what's the currency of Kenya? Kenyan shilling. Who has been selected for the Oracle Award 2021? The answer is Sarah Joseph. This is Sarah Joseph. She is a writer. She has been selected for the Oracle Award 2021 for her novel Buddhini. The award was instituted by poet G. Shankar Kurup and has been given away since 1968. Under which scheme did the drone maker Garuda Aerospace complete mapping of over 1,000 villages in Uttar Pradesh? Swamitva scheme. Swamitva scheme aimed at establishing clear ownership of property in rural inhabited areas. It is a central sector scheme of Ministry of Panchayati Raj. This is Uttar Pradesh. Where is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yogi Adityanath. And the Governor is Anandiben Patel. National Panchayati Raj Day observed on 24th April of every year. Viktor Danilovich Saneyev passed away recently. He was an athlete. He was a triple jumper who competed internationally for the USSR and won 4 Olympic medals. Moving to the next question. India's unemployment rate has increased from 7% in November to 7.91% in December 2021. This is the highest level of unemployment rate in 4 months. The data is published by Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, or CMIE. It is an independent non-government entity that serves both as an economic think tank as well as business information company. The headquarters is in Mumbai. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Please give your valuable feedback in comment section. See you all. Bye.